Welcome to EDU World Space.
Looking at a problem of friction, consider the tractor shown in the diagram with a towing force of 400 IB. We want to determine the normal reactions on each of the four tires, as well as the tractive frictional force F on the two rear tires. So to do this, we will apply the conditions of equilibrium. Um, we know that to solve this problem, the moment about C is equal summation of the moment about C is equal to 0. So we can do that. Uh, Towing force is 400 T, 400 times 2.5, okay, minus the weight of the tractor, 7,500, times 5. The information is there in the diagram, plus 2 plus 2n normal reaction at B front tires times 9, okay, minus 600, which is the extra weight placed at the front on the front of the tractor, so equal to 0. So when you do this, you have your normal reaction at B front tires to be equal to, so one of them will give you 2 4 27.8 IB, which is equal to 2.4343 KIP. You can apply summation of horizontal forces. If you apply that, you can determine the frictional force, the tractive frictional force, so that you have minus T, the towing force, plus the tractive frictional force equal to 0. And we know that T is 400. By the time we place 400 here, we are going to have our F to be equal to 200 IB. Okay. Then we can apply that the summation of the vertical forces. If we do that, we will have our other value, which is our NC. Just sum all the upward forces. You have a NC to be equal to 1.6 1.62 K KIP. So these are our values.